Hello everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. Today we'll be showing you some beautiful hairstyles. First, tie the hairs on the sides and then on the back. Rotate it. Now make the plaits on it and again rotate it like this. Make a bow. Now divide the hairs and tie it and it's ready. Next, tie the hairs on the top. Divide it like this and make a heart-like shape on the top. Now on the sides, tie the hairs. Now on the sides, we will make the plaits on the hairs like this and fix it and it's ready. Next, take small section of the hairs on the sides and make the plaits. Now again take the small section of the hairs on the back and make the plaits like this on both the sides. Now join them together, tie it and fold it like this and your hairstyle is ready. Next, tie the hairs and then make the plaits on it. Fold it and fix it on the top. Now divide the hairs into two parts and make the plaits like this. Pull out the hairs from the sides and it's ready. Next, tie the hairs on the top. Now on the back, we will divide the hairs like this and make a triangle. Now fix the hairs together and make the plaits all together like this. Fold it and fix it and your hairstyle is ready, or you can leave it as it is and it's done. Next, tie the hairs and then rotate it like this. Divide the hairs into two parts and fix it. Now again divide the hairs, make the plaits and fold it upward and it's ready. Next, tie the hairs on the sides like this and make the plaits. Take the hairs from the back in small sections and join it on the sides one by one as shown in the video. Fix it and your hairstyle will be ready. I hope you liked it. Tie it using 3 to 4 rubber bands like this so that it looks straight and it's done. Next, tie the hairs on the sides like this and make the plaits. Now again take the hairs and then rotate it. Now on the back, we will make the plaits on the hairs like this and make the plaits on the hairs. Fold it after that and fix it and it's ready. Next, tie the hairs on the top and then rotate it. Rotate it again like this. Now spread the hairs and fix it using a hair clip. Now take small section of the hairs, tie it like this and fix the beautiful threads on it. Now make the plaits to fix the threads like this, tie it and it's ready. Thanks for watching our video.